Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the C-sharp flute with clean connections. Align the head joint and body by their center lines so keys match. Then, stand or sit with balanced posture, feet shoulder width, shoulders relaxed because support affects tone. Place your lips with the lower lip slightly forward, covering about 1/2 of the lip plate. This shapes the air jet. Blow a steady, focused stream across the embouchure hole. Listen for a clear fundamental. Once you get a sound, adjust angle and aperture to stabilize pitch. Now you move into fingerings and fine control. Memorize the principal C-sharp finger patterns in the middle register and add alternate fingerings for trills or tricky passages. Use half-holing and gentle head joint roll to correct sharpness or flatness. These small physical changes alter the effective tube length and air column. Practice slow scales with a tuner or drone so you hear scent differences. Concentrate on consistent breath support and maintaining a steady airstream. Once done, increase tempo gradually while keeping tone centered and even. Finish by refining articulation and dynamics so passages sing. Practice single and double tonguing slowly, using precise tongue placement at the roof of your mouth, then speed up. For staccato, use short diaphragm pulses rather than chopping the airstream. Work dynamics by changing breath pressure and aperture slowly so crescendos and decrescendos remain smooth. If squeaks or instability happen, troubleshoot. Check pad seals and cork, reposition your embouchure, reduce air speed, and try an alternate fingering. Make sure to record your practice and adjust based on playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.